Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions in iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to sign out your Apple ID from your device but you are facing this problem and you are unable to sign out your Apple ID from your device, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, enter the passcode and turn off the content and privacy restrictions from here, and after this go back and now close the window for one time and go to settings and then open your profile, scroll it below all the way and check if the sign out is available or not, and if it is still unavailable simply go back and now you have to again go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on change screen time passcode, and from here tap on turn off screen time passcode from here and turn off your screen time passcode. So guys, simply turn it off and after this close the window again and now open settings on your device again and go to your profile and then scroll it below all the way, and now here you can see this, you can easily sign out your Apple ID from your device from here. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.